Alright, in this video I'm just gonna teach you how to rank new websites faster in competitive niches. So what you can do is you can pick a keyword, pick a competitive niches, which is, so let's just say news articles. Okay, so news articles have a lot of competitors, people will keep on writing articles. So how to do that? The best way to rank your new websites is choosing the news article. Now here, go into the AI tools like Arwa and go to the overview, click on news article, input a query. So let's just say I input Elon Musk and click on search stories, and it will find the web and it will search stories, and you will see the latest information. So let's just wait for it to search, come up with the news articles. Okay, finally it fetched some latest news, and you can see you can simply click on add and click on add article, and it will create an entire article for you based on that. So this is how fast you can rank new websites faster in a competitive niche.